I've been looking for one of these covers for ages for my transmission, and although I can buy them new, well, I was really looking for one second hand, and I couldn't find one. Well, I could, but not at the right price. But it seems that I'm wrong and everybody else is right, because this type of stuff does go for a lot of money, and especially one that's not all beaten up and chewed up. So I thought about it the other day, and I've got this one here off Charles's Land Rover, and he gave me permission to copy it, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a copy of this for my Land Rover, but not only that, I'm going to modify it. Pooh, what are you on about, mate? Well, we have to keep this delve in here for the handbrake, that's important, but the other side we've got a bit of a free rein what we can do, because if you want to put carpet on this or insulation, it's very difficult with having all these little curves in here. So what I intend to do is this. I'm going to make a moulding of this in fiberglass. I'm going to make a mould of it. Then I'm going to make a copy, exactly the same. But then, that copy, I'm going to get rid of this boss here and then just smooth all this lot out, smooth it all out, make this a bit larger so it comes out here. You'll see it when it's finished, and round this off a little bit. Again, this is only for the handbrakes, so we can smooth this off and then take a moulding off that. It's a long process, but I just fancy messing about with it a little bit. I don't know, I'll see how it comes out, but I'm on my way now. I'm going to go and see my fiberglass man, because I've got bags of fiberglass, gallons of resin, loads of hardener, but I haven't got any gel coat, because you need to put gel coat on first. You need to wax it, gel coat it, and then we'll build it with fiberglass, and we'll put some wood in, you know, to make it reinforced, and then we can make a nice solid mould. Now, before we do that, there's this return here that holds the rubber on. Now, I've just drilled out the rivets. I'm going to take those rivets out because we can't mould around that return. It's impossible, because we wouldn't be able to take the mould out of the take the finished moulding out. So we're going to take this off, and what we'll do is we'll make one of these again in fiberglass, and then we'll just bond the two pieces together. So it's not too difficult to do, and let's see how that goes. So this is just a record of this project. So we're here at the fiberglass shop, and they make staircases and bits and pieces out of fiberglass. So what we're going to do, we've given this a coat of wax, and then we're going to give it another coat. We'll let that dry, and we'll give it another coat, and then we'll see what the next stage is. It is not too bad because they've got all the gear here, so we'll see what happens next. So after 2 coats of wax, we put some PVA on it. We'll let the PVA dry, and the PVA is a release agent, so it comes out the mould, and then gel coat. So once the PVA is dry, we give it a quick coat of gel coat. Then we're going to leave that to dry. The gel coat is just going to be the inside of the mould. So there we are. We'll leave that to dry a little bit. Put another coat on, then it'll be ready for fiberglass. So I'm back in my workshop again, and due to work commitments, I couldn't really film this all the way through. But what we did was, this is the mould made from the original housing, and you can see it is lovely and smooth. It's made out of around about 5 layers of fiberglass, and I'm really pleased they did it for me, because it's a nice job. But this is even better. This is the finished result, and look at that beauty. It is identical in every way to the other one. So that allows me now to play around with this, to either fill this up and fill this up, so it's easier to carpet, which is really what I wanted to do. So if anybody wants a copy, let me know. These are 3 layers thick, and so let's just see if we can do this with the camera. They are quite flexible but strong. So yeah, that's how you make a copy of something. Kind of interesting, isn't it? I mean, it's amazing what you can make. And we were even thinking about doing some doors. However, thinking about it again, the doors have to be a nice flat panel, and I'm not sure if we can replicate a real nice big flat panel. We'll see. I don't know. We'll put that on the back burner for winter, but it'd be interesting. Anyway, hope you liked that, and I hope you enjoyed it. I know it wasn't very long, wasn't very informative at all really, but I just wanted to show you the end result. Alright, talk to you later.